How old are you?
Hmm.
All right. I would say around
25? Oh, really?
Hey guys! Today we're going to try out an English learning platform which is named as Engoo. It allows you to have a one-on-one live online lesson with an English tutor. We have just signed up for an account and there's one child lesson given for every new sign up.
In order to book the lessons, you guys can come to our tutors tab, and then there are actually a lot of filters that you guys can key in, such as the dates, the timing, the nationality, the age group, and even the gender, so to choose your desired tutors.
So after all the input, it will display all the tutors that match your criteria and their availability. You can click on the tutor profile and there will be a short video introduction of them and also the reviews by the student who attended their lessons.
So for me, I would prefer a male tutor, that's why I have actually booked a lesson with a tutor named Nicola.
So in contrast, I selected a female tutor and her name is April.
So there are actually a lot of options that you guys can select for the lesson. So for example, you guys can conduct it in free talk style, or you guys can specifically choose the topic so that both of you can discuss it during the conversation. On top of that, there's one very special and interesting options here is that you guys can actually request the tutors to proactively correct or mistake during the conversation. Correct or mistake during the conversation.
Okay, I think now it's time for my lessons. So without further ado, let's
Let's try!
try!
A few moments later.
How about now?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Alright, okay.
Okay. So, Jin?
Yep,
Okay, nice to meet you, Jin.
nice to meet you
How
too.
are you?
I'm good today. How about you?
Yeah, me too. Doing well.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. My name is Nicola, and I will be your online tutor today.
Okay. Yeah, my name is Isabel. Then I'll be your student today.
Wonderful background you have there. Beautiful window.
This one, you mean?
Yeah.
This is actually a mirror.
It's a window.
It's a mirror.
It's a mirror.
Yep. So it's like something like a decoration. Yep.
Amazing. Looks great.
This is our first class together. Let's get to know each other better first.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
again, my name is April and I'm from Cebu, Philippines. And I'm 23 years old and
Wow.
I like watching Netflix, YouTube, and hanging out with friends.
Oh,
Of course,
okay.
sleeping is the best.
Ah, okay, alright.
How about you?
Okay, my name is Jing. So actually the full name is Jing Hui. Okay, so I'm from Singapore. Yeah, I'm from Singapore and this year I'm want to guess my age?
25?
Then if I know, I'm currently this year I'm 32.
Oh, really?
I'm 32 this year, yes.
Kidding me?
And where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bed.
32 is 9 years different, man. Wow.
But you don't look like 32,
Really?
so.
I feel old, man.
I haven't introduced about my age. Do you want to make a guess about like how old am I? Am I like?
How old are you? All right. I would say around 24, 25. No?
Around that.
Around it.
Yeah.
The main reasons why I chose to stay here. I really love the fact that I had sort of flexible schedule. You know, I can work any time in the day that I want to, and then, of course, afterwards, I had the ability to meet a lot of people. You know, every day I can have a conversation with somebody else, and of course, we can also learn some English along the way.
Any interesting stories?
Yeah. Is there any weird thing that you encounter or anything? Or no? Everything is professional.
Oh, I've experienced one student. He was very rude. Yeah. Like he chose a free talk, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna look for random questions. And he was like, yeah, okay. And the questions were super random, and he was like, what's this question though? Like, what does that even mean? That's super nonsense. But mostly of them, like, they're really okay with the questions. They're super game in answering the questions. So I was just very surprised with that person. Today, like foreigners, like white guys.
Ah, so you are the white guy.
Like, hi. So for white guys out there, I'm just here.
Nice. You prefer a more masculine guy, like muscle, not a typical pretty boy looks?
Not really. I just like the white boys. Like they're attractive to me.
I
But
see.
not masculine. I prefer like dad bod. You know dad bod?
Yeah, that body.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Is he asleep? No. I'm pretty sure he's dead.
Anything for the future. For myself, I would just say, keep working hard. That's it. Yeah, I don't have necessarily any other things. I'm healthy, I'm strong. I think I'm a good person. I try to be. So, other than that, I wouldn't change anything. Just work hard.
To my future self? Oh. Okay, so for my future self, I really hope that you would be successful and that you would reach your dreams. I'm looking forward to see you soon.
Both of us have finished our lessons, so what do you think about the lessons?
Okay, I enjoyed the lesson. Though 25 minutes is a bit too short for our conversation, but Nicola is really a nice guy, very professional, very friendly, and he does speak a very good English.
Okay, so for myself, I think April is very professional and she's very friendly. That makes me feel very comfortable. So I would think that if anyone wants to learn English, this platform is quite good. So give it a try. So I think that's all for this video. We will see you guys in the next video. Bye! So without further ado, let's try! Bang, 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 bang!